Hello dear, welcome back to Just Over, and today we have an unboxing. Yes, we have my very first piece of YouTuber merch. So today we will be unboxing this. This is the Jack Sucks at Geography TOOZ figurine. It's actually my very first ever piece of YouTuber merch, which I'm very excited to delve into. Like always, we get our trusty playing wing. And we just slide along the box. To make sure it opens. Oh, you know what? I'm going to switch to the car key. To the key. Resembling the diamond play button video from Jack a couple of years ago, where we tricked YouTube into giving him a diamond play button. So we just open it all and it's is in all its glory. So here we have, so we're going to take off the outer sleeve packaging. It's incredible. So I'll put that there and I'll put but starting off, we have a take a look around the box. Also, this also came out to celebrate the channel passing 1 million subscribers and a new release of the geography merch. Here we have the Jack Sucks at Geography titles. Here we have a lovely picture of his amazing face and the TOOZ logo and all the TOOZ information on the back. This is obviously an unlimited product. And these all sold out, which I'm very excited for. Obviously made in China. And obviously all the languages and such. Age 15 plus. And now it's in this really nice plastic sleeve type thing. So we are going to take it out and put that sleeve off to one side. And here we have some also, if you do watch Jack Sucks at Life, please let me know, and Jack Sucks at Geography. So let me know, this is 141. Numbered. There we are. Jack Sucks at Geography is a geography prone YouTuber capable of naming all 197 countries of the world flags and recognising their flags as well. Also capitals very soon, make sure to learn them. And also there is some incredible information. Where's Jamaica, Jack? Jamaica, you know, on there being really nitpicky. We'll get him out in a minute with all his smile. Take a look at the stuff, which is interesting. Obviously, if you can tell in the back, there is loads of flags around the back, which is very interesting. And also, that I find insert adjective, because he does say on his definition, does say maps I find insert adjective. So like maps I find amazing, wonderful, incredible, fascinating, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Jack, do that as a title for a laugh. That'd be quite funny. If you're watching this, please subscribe. So yes, so obviously choking hazard. This is not a toy. Obviously it's not a toy because he's a person. Or to be honest, kids will be handling this all the time, to be honest. So here we have and also, do not ask me to spell Kyrgyzstan, which is, I'm going to try and spell it at the end of this video without looking at the box to see if I nailed it. So obviously here we have these, we're going to test myself as well to see how many flags I can rename at the end of this video. Just giving them a little bit of a teaser, and obviously yes. So here we have this lovely plastic thing, obviously wearing the geography merch, Seychelles flag, and also that lovely play button, which is incredible. And I also, if you don't check my socials, I did do a very funny prank this week, where I pranked everyone saying that I have a million subscribers, a billion subscribers, sorry, that was pretty funny. And the video on that will be out very soon. So here we have him in all his glory, standing on a lovely TOOZ figure. This is actually absolutely incredible. Jamaica's on there, and obviously the moment the UK's and that sat on a lovely globe. Would be funny if the globe actually spun, but obviously his bits and bobs have descended on Northern Africa. Now Australia, New Zealand, which is absolutely incredible. Obviously, if you don't know, these flags represent his favourite flags. So you got the Seychelles at the back there, and the St. Lucia flag. Right. And yeah, so obviously I do like this very much, and I do give this a solid 10 out of 10. Or 10 woofs from Kong and 10 woofs from Flossie. Anyway, it says here, congratulations to Jack for passing 1 million subscribers. So in my defense, Jack, you should have put the 4 and the 1 million on different lines like normal, but that's just me being me and being really annoying. But obviously it's a really nice thing, and the figurine does look amazing. It's got a nice solid weight to it. It is pretty weighty for what it is, and obviously his odd socks. Daddy, the ones that don't appear in the Guinness Book of World Records 2023, but you never know. So anyway, that is the figurine. We're going to put him over to one side, and we're going to test myself. Kyrgyzstan is KYGRS. No, Kyrgyzstan is KYRGSTAN. And I actually got it right, and I didn't actually look at the box. So the flags here, we obviously have the Canada, the Swedish, Ivory Coast, Seychelles. I'm noticing the lack of the UK here. But no, obviously I might need to start learning my flags. But on the whole, that's a very nice, loving box. So I shall put the packaging back in the box for this incredible piece of artwork. And the box does actually feel really nice. I will put a different link if you want one of these in the description, but they have in fact sold out, which is really sad. And obviously this is also a GeoGuessr reference, if you don't know. From Jack's GeoGuessr. Anyway guys, so this is absolutely amazing. Anyway guys, I just want to say a massive thank you to Jack for providing some amazing content over the last few years since I subscribed in late 2020. I've been subscribed for a few years now, and I love all, and your videos never fail to make me laugh and all that. And also to have one of your pieces of merch is absolutely incredible. Thank you guys ever so much for watching this. If you did enjoy this, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you later.